Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Honey Grace Cassandra de la Cruz. I'm from the Philippines and I am 28 years old, married and blessed with one child who is 6 years old now. And I have experience working as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for two families. For my first employer, I took care of a 3-year-old child. My main duty was child care. So feeding, bathing, playing, and assisting the child in preparing for school. There were other helpers assigned for cooking, cleaning, and laundry. So I focused mainly on taking care of the child. And for my second employer, my madam was pregnant and I took care of her 5-year-old nephew. And I was responsible for bringing and fetching him from school, preparing his meals and helping with his daily needs. And I also did household chores such as cleaning, laundry, and marketing using a motorcycle. Um, my employers both enjoy cooking, so they usually prepare the meals. But sometimes I also cook Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, spaghetti when they were busy, and they enjoy it. And I can easily learn new recipes because I am willing to learn and I enjoy cooking as well. And I also fed their pet dog, and in this kind of work, I believe that trust, honesty, and respect are very important values between an employer and helper. That is why I always make sure to do my duties properly and sincerely. And I am a hardworking, patient, and trustworthy person, and I can work independently with minimal supervision. And as a mother, I know how to take care of children with love and understanding. And I will treat your family as my second family. So, thank you very much, mom and sir. I'm looking forward to working with your family soon.